Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. I just want to take a quick second and welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. I am over 550 subscribers, and it's amazing. I never thought that I would reach that many. It's so freaking awesome seeing my channel grow. Every single day, like, I'll wake up and I'll have like one or two, and I'm just like, wow, this is so freaking awesome that you guys are enjoying my videos. I really enjoy making makeup videos. It's very therapeutic for me. I love being creative. I love makeup, for one, and it definitely took me time to build up the skills, but it's just like, it's so much fun for me, and like I said, it's therapeutic and I enjoy it. So it takes me away from like my norm, you know what I mean? So it's a little bit of me time, you know, and I'm glad to share that with other people that enjoy makeup as well. So welcome, and I appreciate you so much. And also, if you are not subscribed yet, do it now. And yeah, so this is the look that I have going on right here for you guys today. I absolutely love it. It is a beautiful minty green, pastel green, perfect for spring and Easter coming up. And even though we're in the current situation that we're in, take some time for yourself, try to be a little positive. And yeah, so if you own the Colourpop Just My Luck palette, you guys, take it out and follow along, because I will be using this palette and only this palette and one shadow from this palette. So super easy, and you guys are gonna love it. So keep on watching and enjoy. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have my brows already filled in. I have my eyes prepped and ready. And I'm going to share with you what I used on my brows. I did go in with the Revolution brow pomade, which is this one here. I did go in with a different shade. This one is in medium brown, and I actually really like that it's not super dark on my brows, you know what I mean? I also went in with my fave. This is the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel, which is amazing. You guys know I talk about it all the time. And I also went in with the the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot and Soft Ochre, and that's what I use to clean the bottom of the brow and just to use as an eyeshadow base. So I use that, and that is that so far. So for today's look, I am going to be using this palette here from Colourpop. This is Just My Luck, and it's the all green palette. I am pretty sure I filmed a video on this eyeshadow palette because it's been used. I just don't know what happened to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a look with it today. And yeah, so we're just going to jump right in. I'm going to grab a brush like this. This is like a blending brush from BH Cosmetics. I think I'm going to be using this shade and this shade only today, but we shall see how it works out. So going in with a blending brush, I'm just going to apply this into the crease, back and forth. And I'm going to start off with that right there. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Alright, so now I'm going to grab the Morphe M506, and same thing, this is the shade Chances Are. I don't think I mentioned the name, but that's what it's called. I'm going to go in and apply this right in the crease here and just outline that. Now I'm going to be grabbing this Morphe M421 brush and going in with that same shade. I am going to apply this all over the lid. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with that first brush that we went in with, and I'm just going to grab a little bit more of that minty shade and apply that right here, and just use that to blend and soften up the edges. And basically we're just diffusing the shade. It's really pretty. I like the way this looks. I think I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner, but I'm gonna do something a little different. With shades like this, I don't like to go in with a black eyeliner. I'm actually going to go in probably with a white one. And I think it's gonna look a little bit better with a white eyeliner. I don't know. That's just my opinion. I don't know. You can definitely go in with black if you would like, but I think for today's look, I'm gonna do a white eyeliner. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the NYX White Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to create a wing. All right, you guys, so now that I'm done applying the white eyeliner, I am going to go in with these Kiss lashes right here. These are in the style Royal Silk, I guess. That's what it says right there. And I'll be right back. Once I'm done, we will continue on with the rest of the makeup look. All right, guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I have my lashes on. Don't they look beautiful? I think the eyes are looking really beautiful so far. I must say so myself. But now we're just gonna move on to the face. I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl True Blend Skin Primer. This is the pore minimizing one here. And I'm just going to apply that all over. So real quick, you guys, I do want to mention that I did remove my nails myself. Oh my God, it was such a process. And I did say I was going to probably and try to get a video up on it. But no, that was not. I tried, but it was just such a mess. First time for me, you know, me doing this, it was horrible. I definitely give credit to these nail techs with everything. It is so hard, so annoying to constantly file, but then again, they have those like machines that just like shave it off. I'm literally working with just a file, so it was just like the worst thing ever. But my nails are doing pretty well. I did use some some of that Sally Hansen strengthening nail polish, and then I went in with like the shade Fiji in case you were curious. But they feel good. My nail, you know, everything is good. They're still strong. I just wanted something extra just to strengthen them up a little bit more, but they are pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's just like the whole process of me removing them was horrible. So yeah, I do love the fact that I have my nails back, you know, my natural nails, but I probably will be going back to get the powder gel. We shall see. But anyways, now back to the makeup. So now I'm going to move on to foundation. I'm going to go in with this one from NYX. This is the Born to Glow Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade Buff. I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. sponge today. Just felt like using my little spongy sponge because I haven't used it in a little bit. I've been pretty obsessed with this brush here, which is the It Brushes brush from Ulta. This one right here, I guess. I would have said it's like an It brush, but it's for Ulta. There you go. It's a It brush for Ulta. But it's really good. I am going to be going in with it anyway because I like to go in and blend the concealer right into the inner corner, so I am still going to be using it. But anyway, I'm going to be going in with the sponge and just applying the foundation all over. All right, so moving on to concealer, I'm gonna go in with this one. I haven't used this one in so long. This is the Maybelline, what is this? Instant Age Rewind in the shade Light. And you're just gonna twist and wait till some of the product comes out. I think, there it is. There you go. Just gonna apply a little bit because this is super light from what I remember. There you go. I think I'm gonna just apply that much. And that's it. It's a lot, I think. All right, so I'm just gonna grab my e.l.f. sponge and I'm just going to blend that out. All right, so far so good. Everything is looking amazing. And now I'm just gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to cream contour my face. All right, so I'm going to be grabbing this BH Cosmetics brush right here. This is the number 4 from the Marble collection, and I'm just going to start blending in the cream contour just like that. All right, so now that that's blended in, I'm going to go back in with my e.l.f. sponge and I'm just going to soften up those edges around the nose just to start that off. And then I'm just going to go into the forehead, soften up those edges, and then I'm just going to go on the sides, do the same. Look at that. Everything's looking beautiful. Actually really love the way this color looks on my eyes. It looks so freaking pretty, and I feel like it looks beautiful with the white eyeliner. It just gives a little bit of a extra something, you know. You definitely use black eyeliner. I think it would look amazing as well. I just wanted to go in with something white, which is fine, but I really do like the way it looks, you guys. It looks so pretty. All right, so now I'm gonna go in and set my under eye. I'm gonna go in with my Coty Airspun powder and my e.l.f. brush, my e.l.f. sponge. And I'm gonna set that. All right, so now to bronze up my face, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline City Bronzer, and this one is in the shade 200. And I'm going to be grabbing this Colourpop Angled F21 brush. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Blush Lighter. This one is in the shade After Sex Glow. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of this onto the cheeks, just to give it a little bit of a flushed kind of look. You see that? Gives it like a nice little peachy look to the cheek. I'm gonna apply a little bit on the bridge. Look at that. It looks so pretty. Now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of a highlighter, dropping things over here. I'm gonna go in with this one from the NYX Highlighter and Bronzer palette. Looks like this. And I'm going to be grabbing this light shade here. Just going to be applying that right on the cheekbones. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't think I've used these highlighters, or maybe not this one. I can't remember, but this looks really pretty. And I'm using a Morphe M510 brush, you guys. I'm going to apply a little bit on the tip of the nose, some in the Cupid's bow, just like that. Oh yeah, this is pretty. I like this. Look at that. I'm gonna add a little bit of this highlighter here on the inner corner. So I'm gonna grab a little detailed brush. So this one is the Colourpop L1, this one here. I'm going to be grabbing this shade here and applying that right on the inner corner here. Look at that little inner corner highlight right there. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna add a little bit more right there. Ooh, I love it. I can get a little carried away with the inner corner sometimes, but using this same brush, I'm just going to be popping a little bit of this on the brow bone as well. with this really nice detailed brush here. It's going to give the brow a little bit of a pop as well. Look at that. Alright, so going back into the eyeshadow palette, you guys, I'm going to be grabbing the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to be going in with Chances Are, which is the same shade that I used all over the lid and everything, and just blending it on the lower lash line. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this white liner. This is from NYX, and this is the retractable eyeliner in the shade White. I'm going to apply this on the waterline. And now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes. Alright, so moving on to lips, you guys, I'm going to be going in with this lip liner here from NYX. This is the Matte Suede Lip Liner in the shade Sandstorm. And for lipstick, I'm going to be going in with Honey Love from MAC. Over top, I am going to be going in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. And to finish off the look, you guys, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!